Hey everybody, this is Tanner Knight. Welcome to this week's Productivity Enhancer. Today we're going to take a look at how you would go about deleting a plane without deleting its dependent features, and then reassociating those broken dependent features with a brand new plane. I'll also show you a couple of items that are new to SolidWorks 2014 along the way. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Just a computer casing here with the SolidBox logo right in the center. And that SolidBox logo is this cut extrude 4 with sketch 47 nested below it. Currently, this feature is associated with plane number 2, but what would happen if I were to delete plane 2? Let's go ahead and delete it, and now, new to SolidWorks 2014, we have this confirm delete box that shows up. It says delete the following item, which is plane 2, and we can click yes, no, cancel, etc. But what we're most interested in is this option right here. We now have a toggle that allows us to choose whether these dependent items will be deleted with the plane. These items here are the SolidBox logo that I pointed out earlier, and with delete child features selected, if I were to select yes, both cut extrude 4 and sketch 47 would be blown away just like we're used to. However, if I deselect this option, it'll only delete the plane and leave those dependent items to dangle until we fix them. So let's go ahead and click yes, and it will generate an error. Sketch 47 has a warning, which may cause subsequent features to fail. Would you like to repair Sketch 47 before SolidWorks rebuilds the subsequent features? I'm just going to continue and ignore, and we get that error sound and the message that tells us what we just learned, so I'll close this. So this error is taking place with those two dependent items that we mentioned earlier, Sketch 47 and Cut Extrude 4. So now we need to roll back the bar so we can create a brand new plane and basically start from scratch. So let's create that new plane, and instead of using the face as the first reference, I'm going to offset it from the opposite side. I know this part is 9 inches wide, so I'll flip that direction and accept it. So now there's a brand new plane called plane 1. Now we can roll back our bar so we have Cut Extrude 4 and Sketch 47 back active. And then it's as simple as right-clicking on the sketch. So let's take a look. Right next to the Edit Sketch icon, we have this option called Edit Sketch Plane. When we choose to edit the sketch plane, it gives us this real simple property manager. All you have to do is replace the missing plane in gold with any other plane. Preferably, you'd select the correct plane, which in our case is this plane 1. You can grab it from the feature tree or even the graphics area. I've got plane 1, so I'll go ahead and accept that. Again, we get an error, so I'll just continue and ignore and see what's the matter. So let's see here. The intended cut doesn't intersect the part. And take a look at what happened. Our logo is backwards and everything is off. So why would that be? Well, the reason is pretty simple. Since the new plane was offset from this face, it's now normal to the opposite direction of the correct side. So this plane's normal direction is facing, in our case, to the left of the part, and we need normal to be on the outside of the part. So here's one of the new additions to SolidWorks 2014. I can go ahead and edit this plane and take a look at this handy-dandy toggle. Down at the bottom under Options, we have a Flip Normal checkbox. Instead of deleting that plane and starting over, we can just flip the normal direction. You can see the normal direction change with the blue arrow. I could have done this when I created the plane. I just skimmed over it to show it to you now. So once the plane is facing the right direction, the logo is replaced exactly where it should be. So there you go. Now just to recap, I first deleted the original plane, and that brought up our confirm delete box. And then I deselected delete child features. I went in and showed you the edit sketch plane tool, and finally we have that flip normal direction toggle. So thanks for watching this week's Productivity Enhancer. I hope it was helpful. Until next time.